it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial. I have a new model, Freya. She's gorgeous, lovely long hair to work with. So I've been working this week and I've wanted to come up with something that was going to be fast. So whether it's to do on yourself or if you're a stylist and you literally get a client thrown on you and you've got 10 minutes to do the hair, I wanted an updo that was no skill required barely and it just goes up within 5 minutes. So I hope you like the tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so totally optional. Freya's got some little bits at the front that I am just going to kind of keep out, but you don't have to do this if you don't want the sort of hair around the face look. And I'll do the other side as well. So I'm going to do this style, guys, by separating up the hair. So on this side, I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of wiggle it down and just pull this hair to the side for a minute. And this is the side I'm going to be working on. Now watch this for a really, really easy technique, okay? So it's occasion hair, but you haven't got a lot of time. You're going to grab this front section here. You're going to split it in two. Notice I'm not even bothering curling the hair. I'm not bothering with back comb. So split it in two like that. And then the bottom piece is going to come up over the top. I'm not even going to twist it or anything. I'm just crossed it over. And then going to take a slice of hair, probably about there. Join it into that one, and the bottom one is going to cross over the top. I'm going to take another slice of hair, and the bottom one is going to cross over the top. And you're just going to do that, working your way around, so it's just adding into that bottom one. I don't want it to come too high up, so I'm keeping it kind of low. I'll just turn Freya. So again, slice of hair, can use a little bit of wax spray at the nape of the neck if you need to, but it's not essential. And I'm not going to do it too loosely because I am going to be doing a little bit of teasing out. It's obviously optional how much you want to tease, but if you do it too loose to start with, then it's all just going to become way too loose when you start to tease it out. So you don't want it to be tight, but just a little bit of tension in that braid. So I'm bringing this round because my style today isn't going to sit at the back of the head, it's going to sit to the side, but you can just do it to the back and then get the other side to meet if you wanted the bun in the centre. And then once you've come to this side, I'm just going to pinch that style fairly tightly and you're just going to put a hair tie in. And now we're going to come to this side, and you guessed it, you're going to take that slice of hair. I don't want it to be too big, I want this side to be a little bit of a smaller braid. So dividing that into two, remember the bottom one, the one nearest to the face, goes over the top, and then you add that little section in. Over the top it goes. Add that section in. 'Cause I never thought I'd ever, baby, see the day you could look at me and watch me as I walk away, walk away. And again, guys, you're just going to pinch that braid and pop a hair tie in. I mean, it kind of looks cute, it's just a ponytail style to tell you the truth without even pulling it out, but that's not what we're here for, it's got to be an updo. So this is where you can decide how much teasing and how much pulling out you want to do, and obviously how much time you've got as well. So if you're in a real rush, kind of leave it there and go. So whenever you're pulling a style, guys, always hold the base of where you're pulling away from, so you can kind of gauge how much tension you need to sort of give that hair a lift. Never just kind of pull at it, always hold and then tease, you know. Okay, so we've done the sort of head bit and now we're going to work with the ponytail. Now, this is optional again, guys, because depending on time, just miss this bit out. But I'm just going to leave that section out there. I'm going to leave another little baby section here. Might even make that a little bit smaller. And I'm going to leave another section out here. And you'll see why once I have done the ponytail bit. So I'm just going to actually pin that bit out of my way. I might just pin these two as well, actually, guys. So, ponytail. Quick, quick, quick. No curling. Break it into two. Really gentle. Twist to the right, cross over the left. Twist to the right, cross over the left. Twist to the right, cross over the left. I'm going to stop there and just start my teasing now, because you can do this at the end, but it all can get a little bit frizzy and crazy if you wait till the end. So I'm just going to start it. Again, you can decide how much you want to pull. I'm going to go again, twist to the right, cross over, start teasing again. And then you're basically just going to take this twist braid, guys, and just kind of like have a play with it and just sit it where you want it to sit. It's going to go straight into that bun and pin. I then want you to just release these little strands that you left out. Remember, you're missing this bit out, guys, if you haven't got time. And you're just going to do it really, really fast, either a twist braid or a 3-strand. Okay, so with your optional braids, guys, you're just going to take them and just kind of like place them over the style just to add that tiny bit of extra detail. So that's the style finished, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you to Freya, my new model. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!